Hi, sir. How are you?
Great. Great. I don't get it. Considering that there are more than sufficient checks and balances in the government, that among them Executive Order 13526, Section 1.7, and 13526, 3.1, which not only say you can't classify things to conceal wrongdoing, and you got to classify something if it's in the, declassify something if it's in the public interest, which overpowers national security at all times. Why don't you use that to justify exercising your right to go against your oath to declassify that stuff, and use those checks and balances in court to defend yourself if they decide to come after you like they do the other whistleblowers?
So, great question, because I have, unfortunately, Executive Order 12958 and Executive Order 12333 that I have to abide by, plus DoD Directive 5240.1, 5240.1R, and a whole host of other 5200 series. Sorry.